Hey everyone, welcome back to NodeXpert. Today, I have got some exciting updates for you about three incredible nodes: Grass, KOII, and NodePay. If you are running any of these nodes or planning to, you are in the right place. We will cover what's new, why it matters, and how these updates can impact your earnings and experience. So don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to stay updated on all things crypto nodes. Let's get started. Now let's get started with Grassnode. So what's new with Grassnode? Epoch 3 has officially started. What does this mean? Your points for Epoch 2 are now saved under the Rewards tab. You still have the same rank you achieved from the last epoch. Now you have the opportunity to compete with your peers and refer more people. Okay, why I like this update? It means we are getting closer to the conversion day or conversion time. I guess we should wait around more 6 epochs until we are able to exchange our grass points into grass coins. This project is very promising. We have seen people who earn a lot and thousands of grass coins, and they have sold at prices like $2. It went up to $3, and they have sold. Now it's around $1.20. It's a very good promising node to participate in. By like I see in I guess in when we finish more 6 epochs, the grass grass coin price could hit up to $10. Uh, I won't sell if it didn't like reach 15. Let's see what will happen for grass. It's a very good and promising node. If you want to check how to set up your grass node, you will find the YouTube video link in the description. Next up, we have KOII. They have launched like KOII coin sales on pay.com. Here you could buy KOII coins at a very cheap price. You could buy the token at this price 0.0025, and the maximum you can buy with is around is $250. You will get around, let me use the calculator. You will get around 100,000 koi coins, which is very huge number, and this project is very promising. So what are the requirements? Unfortunately, I didn't sign for this one because I'm from Sudan, and Sudan is not legal for participating. So you need to complete your KYC, make sure you are from an illegal country, connect your wallet and mark as primary, very important, have at least 75k of paid tokens staked, and register your interest before the snapshot. That's very easy and forward. Here are the project info about KOII. KOII is the world's largest supercomputer powered by a global network of developers, and the rest of the info. You could read it. If you wanted to know how to register and set up KOII node, you'll find the video link in the description. Now let's talk about NodePay. One of their newest updates is that they included Season 2 into the initial airdrop. This bonus season gives you one last chance to earn points and secure a large share of the rewards. Why this matters? Originally, only seasons 0 and 1 were part of the first airdrop, but after hearing our feedback and recognizing the value of our community, uh, they have decided to include season 2 as well, which is a very good update. Very good update. One of their newest updates also, they are making a new medal or a new role, which is the node search. I still didn't get it, which is the node intel tester. So what is node search? Node space decentralized answer engine is powered by your bandwidth and our infrastructure, enabling highly accurate real-time search results for the AI and Web3 world. Whether it's token prices, project updates, sentiment analysis, or general knowledge, Node Search combines real-time data retrieval with advanced AI to deliver the answers you need. So this is a very huge and promising update about NodePay. If you wanted to set up NodePay on your computer as an extension, check out my video on the description below. Finally, we have Pi Network Node. They have released a new announcement just yesterday. So open network conditions and timeline, they updated it. So what did they say? Pioneers, we have reached the remarkable achievement of 18 million KYC people. The goal was just 15 million and they have surpassed it by 3 million KYC people, and 8 million people migrated to the mainnet. The goal is 10 million, was very near. Pi Network will launch Open Network in Q1 of 2025. Every time in their announcement, they never say will launch. They just say we will seek to launch in Q4 2024, or for example in Q3 of 2020. So this is a very major update. They said Pi Network will launch Open Network in Q1 2025. This time frame will allow the network to have more pioneers migrated to the mainnet and include the Open Network. So Pi Network is doing very well. Here, increase the speed of tentative KYC resolutions and mainnet migrations. Example, nearly 200,000 pioneers migrated to the mainnet in the last day. So Open Network can launch as soon as possible in Q1 of 2025. So that's it for Pi Network. It's a very promising network, and good luck for everyone who was there from the beginning, and it's not late to participate in it. You will find how to set it up, how to set up a VPS to run your Pi Network video in the description. And that's it for today's updates on Grass, KOII, and NodePay and Pi nodes. These updates are proof that the teams behind these nodes are continuously improving the user experience. If you're already running these nodes, make sure to take advantage of the new features. As always, I have included all the relevant links in the description, so check them out. Don't forget to like the video, share it with others interested in nodes, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Have questions or updates to share? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.